Greetings all, thanks for coming on another nature journey with your girl, where they have plenty of parking. Love it. No path. Which way should I go? Pollinator path, I do, but maybe not. Nature trails, so beautiful. When at the information board, try to spend a nice amount of time just to get to know what's going on in the community. It's so helpful. No balloons. They don't play that. But it's very nice here. They have all type of things, from hiking to kids. Inside their office, there is also a ranger there that is very informative. You can always go there and get pamphlets, things for the kids to color on. Also, a very nice fill out where when you're walking on your nature walk. Very nice hangout spot. Just no food you can be able to eat. No picnic, just hangout time. Very nice. Now I see why no food. And this is the activity. They have a DDR inside. Where they play very nice videos of what going on in nature. So I sat and partake. It's very nice. The evolving of a ladybug. Oh yeah. Had my H3O. Stay cool. Butterflies. I love me a butterfly. This was really nice. It's got them informative of different elements, rocks, animals, anything you can name it. And it lit up so that you know which one was which. Aha! Enjoy yourself as well, not just, for the kids. You can also enjoy. nature centers where I love for you as an adult or even for your kids to see what's going on before they even go. But it's nice. All in the Broward County area. So many things to do at this nature park. I love it. Appreciate you all for staying tuned with your girl.